Sometimes it's very difficult to add the perfect point or perfect second for our video clips to edit or cut or something like that. At a time we just need to increase or decrease this timeline, that means zoom in or zoom out. So let's see how we can do this thing in CapCut. So once we open our project, we'll see this is the timeline. So we can do different ways to zoom in and zoom out. If we see, if there is a slider like this, if we slide right, it will be zoom, and if we decrease, I mean if the slider goes left, it is going to shrink. So in this way we can do. And there is another way you can hold command key and plus key all together. If you are using Mac, then it will work. See, it is going to increase the timeline, and if we hold command key and minus, then it is going to decrease the timeline. So that's it. In this way we can easily increase or decrease the timeline in CapCut.